Play. The children play together in the park. Eat. I like to eat ice cream. Sleep. The baby sleeps in her crib. Wake up. It's time to wake up and go to school. Get dressed. I get dressed in the morning. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. Wash my hands. I wash my hands before I eat. Go to school. I go to school every day. Come home. I come home from school at 3 p.m. Play outside. I like to play outside with my friends. Watch TV. I watch TV in the evening. Go to bed. I go to bed at 8 p.m. Have fun. I have fun with my family and friends. Act. The children act out a play. Bakes. My mom bakes cookies every Friday. Bike. I like to bike to the park. Blow. The wind blows the leaves off the trees. Run. The dog runs around the yard. Walk. Let's walk to the park. Jump. The kids jump up and down. Sing. The birds sing in the trees. Dance. The dancers move to the music. Swim. We went swimming in the pool. Climb. The cat climbs up the tree. Skip. The children skip down the street. Kick. The girl kicks the ball. Catch. The dog catches the ball. Draw. I like to draw pictures. Build. The children build a sandcastle. Break. The boy breaks their block. Fix. The dad fixes the broken toy. Help. I help my mom in the kitchen. Share. The kids share their toys. Catch. I caught a fish in the lake. Clap. The audience claps for the performers. Climb. The children climb the rocks at the playground. Color. I like to color pictures. Count. Count the number of stars in the sky. Dance. The dancers twirl and leap across the stage. Dig. The children dig a hole in the sandbox. Draw. I like to draw pictures of animals. Dress up. The children dress up as their favorite superheroes for Halloween. Fly. The airplanes fly high in the sky. Follow. The children follow their teacher to the library. Hug. I hug my mom when I see her. Laugh. The children laugh as they play. Listen. I listen to my teacher's instructions. Look. Look at the bird in the tree. Make. I like to make crafts. Paint. The children paint their faces at the carnival. Play. The children play soccer in the park. Point. The teacher points to the map. Pull. The children pull the wagon around the yard. Push. The children push the swing. Read. I like to read stories to my little sister. Smell. I smell the delicious food cooking in the kitchen. Taste. The ice cream tastes good. Touch. Don't touch the hot stove. Write. I like to write stories. Assemble. The children assemble the model robot. Beg. The dog begged for a treat. Blow up. The children blew up balloons for the party. Bounce. The ball bounced around the room. Button. The girl buttoned her coat. Carry. The girl carried the groceries to the kitchen. Chew. The baby chewed on her teething ring. Comb. I comb my hair every morning. Cook. My mom cooks dinner every night. Put away your toys. Please put away your toys before bed. Open up. Please open up the window. Make a wish. Make a wish and blow out the candles on your birthday cake. Lie down. Please lie down and take a nap. Drink. The boy drank glass of milk.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.